In this third example of a while loop being used in a demo program, we still use -1 as a sentinel value to allow the customer to exit the loop. But instead of using a break statement, we set a Boolean flag variable equal to true. A Boolean flag variable here is named user wants to exit. The data type is bool, and it's initially set equal to false. The data type bool can store either the word true or the word false. In this case, I'm using user wants to exit equals false as the control expression of the while loop, instead of numbooks greater than or equal to 0 and numbooks less than or equal to 10 like we saw in the previous demo program. Let's watch this program execute. If the user inputs the numbers 1, 2, and 3, and then inputs -1 to quit, as you would expect, the program prints out 6 as the total, adding up the 1, 2, and the 3, and not adding the -1 into the total. If the user inputs an illegal number, such as 13, assuming that he knew that he was supposed to only enter numbers between 1 and 10, watch what happens. The program simply tells him that it was an invalid input and allows him to continue to enter numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 again, and eventually typing in -1 to exit. So in this case, we have the grand total of 16, which is correct, the correct sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. This program works with the use of a sentinel value to exit the loop, and it also uses the correct logic to ignore invalid inputs that are negative numbers or greater than 10. And furthermore, it uses a Boolean flag variable, which is the correct way to use and to exit from an indeterminate loop of the situation. Notice that the control expression user wants to exit double equals false worked, but you can also use a not symbol in front of your Boolean flag variable, and you can remove the equals false there. This will work as well, and this is the notation that many programmers use to simplify their code.